Hi, and welcome back to my accountancy marketing strategy for the week. This week, I'm going to talk about why online marketing is perfect for accountants. I believe that online marketing is uniquely suited to accountants in practice. There are many reasons for this, but this week we're going to discuss just 5 of them. First and foremost, almost all business owners are now using the internet, and all business owners need an accountant. This represents a great opportunity. Almost all of your potential customers are now online. Secondly, online marketing perfectly suits the accountancy business model, which is based on gross recurring fees, meaning that the client's lifetime value is high. Hence, this reduces the cost per acquisition, providing a very positive return on investment. Thirdly, accountants have always benefited from word-of-mouth marketing. Online marketing is essentially based on the same principles as word-of-mouth marketing. This is a great opportunity for savvy accountants. Fourthly, people are actively searching for accountants online, with thousands of searches per month, even in relatively small areas. This means that people are looking for accountants all the time. The fifth and final point is that online marketing is proven to work with accountancy practices. I can use our own results with clients as testament to this. For example, we've got one practice that went from a sole practitioner to new officers and a team of 4 in half a year through online marketing. There are more reasons, but I think these are enough to prove the point. So if you're not engaged in online marketing for your practice, you really need to start now. As always, if we can help you more with this, then simply get in touch with me or one of the team. And if you haven't already, sign up to the updates so you get this weekly email in your inbox every week and download the free ebook. Thanks. See you next week.